Oh god, this is what happens when that MJ when it's about to rain. The oh steps out to be animal. You see that movie? Yeah, you guys think that's dude, this is nasty. This is all nasty. I'm showing you guys. Man, hey, what's worse about it is that when you're walking, this is happening. They fall down towards your head. They don't anything bad, just that they're nasty. You guys, I'm gonna do this just for you. This is so good. Oh, I stepped on one. I'm trying to go down. Duh, I just can't, guys. This is so much. It's like it's nasty as well. I don't know if they're on the grass. There's only one on the grass to see. I wish I could just use this. My advantage. Move on, move on, move on. Guys, they're literally everywhere. Oh! Look at that. Oh. Those weird buttons when you step on them. Like crunch. No, I hate the flying ones. Well, over here at the LMG, this happens when it's about to rain. Well, that's what they say. Trust me, they're not dangerous at all. Okay, I'm going to the floor. That guys, just swarms. And when it hit the floor, you hear that bass. I can't go any farther because like lots of them, just baby ones. Well, laters. Wait, after a little bit more seconds. Okay, well, later, guys.